Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this. Welcome to a new vlog. Hope you enjoyed the last few videos, the delivery video and the MRI windshield installation and the first impressions of it. Still need to test it for longer durations. Always let the ambulance go, guys. So we've hit the 40,000 subscribers milestone. It's a small milestone. My big milestone would be 50,000 and then 100,000 subscribers, because that's something I'm looking forward to, and let's hope we reach it soon with all your love, support. The people who are viewing my videos, only 50% of them subscribe. So imagine if 50% of them subscribe, we would easily get 10-20,000 just like in a matter of few days. When you do an MBA degree, one thing that comes to you is analytics. You go mad with numbers, and I keep tracking my YouTube analytics regularly. So when I realized that okay, I'm gonna approach the 40,000 mark soon, I was wondering what we can do to improve 2020, because 2020 has been a sucker for a lot of people, and I just want to make 2020 a memorable experience. We have 3 more months left: October, November, December. Why don't we do something different and unique? The rationale behind this idea was my YouTube my YouTube, I just saw a Bentley 300. My vlogging experience started with the Bentley 300 when I went to Hill Park ride, and this is the video. And oh man, I wanted to do something unique because my cousin gifted me a GoPro. When I told him I'm interested, I got a big bike, I'm interested, I'm checking out these YouTube videos, he gifted me that. And I was like, let's do something unique than other YouTubers out there. So my first video, I didn't vlog at all. I just wanted music to do the talking. It was very naive, but just wanted to try something different. And that video went crazy. At that point of time, I got like 6,000, 7,000 views with hardly 25-30 subscribers. Anyway, I wrote an article actually in Team BHP about my review on the Bentley 300 and the Street to Win, and that went crazy. Unfortunately, I didn't do any videos then, so it was a very small achievement. Since then, it was just been a hobby of mine that I just wanted to pursue it while I'm touring or while I'm with my friends. I just wanted to keep doing that, because few hobbies, you don't want to overdo it or you don't want to underdo them, because you don't want to burn out with a hobby, especially with a fickle mind like I have. I keep changing hobbies regularly. One thing that has stayed consistent in the last 10 years is me running and maybe YouTube actually, and coffee. So it has been a hobby, and since last August, when I came back to India from Canada, when I realized things there are not as it was when I graduated with an MBA, I thought, let's take it seriously. Since then, I've been uploading videos very regularly, like almost 1 or 2 videos every week, and that has showed in the numbers. Like, if I remember, when I came to India, the subscriber count was 8,200 or something. Look where I am now in little over a year, 40,000. I just want this momentum to keep going, and in that regard, I want to pursue this much more seriously, take it to the next level. So I've decided to take up at least 8 to 10 hours in a day, 6 days a week. Today is October 1st. Starting from October till the end of December, I'm gonna put in at least 8 to 10 hours just for YouTube. I don't know if it's going to be daily vlogs or 2, 3, 4 vlogs. I'm not gonna put any number on it, but I'm gonna work 8 to 10 hours purely on YouTube with the target of increasing the number of people viewing my videos. So I'll shoot videos, edit them, upload them, analyze them, and do that cycle all over again to see how far we can reach. And I'm not putting out any numbers because I think few videos back I said 40,000 by the year end would be amazing, and we already hit that number. So we're not going to put any target numbers, although I have few milestones in mind. I'm just going to work as if let's say I'm hired by YouTube on an 8 to 9 hour job, and I've been hired to improve the reach of my audience. That's the target. And you guys are my team heads, team leads, whatever name you want, take it. I'm your like product manager or something. I'm the product. I'm trying to promote myself. So let's put it that way and see how good a job I can do, because 3 months I think is a good time to see if I actually love working that way. And if I do, we never know, we might get videos every day, every 2-3 days, we might get higher quality. So for me, quality trumps quality. I don't want to use the word trump. Quality matters way more than quantity. So in that sense, if I'm doing even one video every 2 weeks, if the quality is, let's say, 100 times what it is right now, I would definitely love to do that. Last Shriman's delivery video, there were a few comments about the camera quality. Unfortunately, with the budget, with the cameras that I have, I've been using a 2016 Sony a6300. I've been using that 2017 actually. There will be an upgrade, but not now. Once maybe I hit 100K, that's when I'll upgrade the camera to a better camera, because I'm a photographer by nature and I would love to upgrade the quality. I mean, Sony a6300 is an amazing camera, but the biggest downside is I upload all my videos in 4K. I've been doing that since 2017, since way before many of these guys have started, because the way that I see it is, in case in the future, if I want to look back at my videos, I want to have a good experience. I want the same for you guys too. A lot of people are picking up 4K now. I picked up long time, because 4K videos compared to 1080p is a big upgrade, guys, and we're just trying to future-proof it. So it does 4K, but at 24 frames per second, where even the slightest of movements can be bad. This is a 4K video right now, but even the slightest of movements won't be felt, because it has optical image stabilization and it is recorded at 60 frames per second, which means I can do slow motion up to 40%, which is 24 frames per second. That is the bare minimum frames that you need to have a good video output. Anyway, technical stuff aside, we might have slightly better video quality, better audio quality. We might get different angles like this. I've been already doing that. So we'll have lot more changes, be it with audio, background audio, music, effects, etc., or just the content too can have lot of changes. I'm not restricting myself to any particular type of content, although this would be motorcycle, automobiles related channel, that's for sure. So next 3 months, it's going to be jam-packed. I'm starting from today. We're going to do that. So today I've already spent some time recording this video. Now I'm heading to meet Rochi, Suju, Edwin, and maybe Shiva and Shriman. We're heading to the Ducati showroom to check out the 1100, the Ducati Monster 1100. The good thing with this job is some time with my friends will also be counted as a regular job, because I'll be working in that regard. But let's hope how this works out, guys. I have no clue if I would be tired. There will be moments where I'll be like, let's skip it, but I don't want to, because this is a challenge that I want to pursue before the end of this year. Let's see how, if the results are positive, that will be a huge kicker for 2021. So let's see. Anyway, almost here near Suju's office. We'll catch you guys in a short while. Just came across this song by Parikrama. I remember Parikrama from my college days, guys. I don't actually remember where. Was it my college days when they came to my college, GRIT, or did I attend a concert? Because this name was very famous and this name reminds me of my college days. Let me know in the comment section if you guys came across the band Parikrama. This song especially is pretty nice. Anyway, we'll catch you guys in a short while. Ochind mod. Rochi, Edwin in the car. Yeah. At Tata Motors Sanat Nagar EV charging station. Charging the car. Look who we have. Dabba మొదలెట్టండి కూడా. Hello, Two Brother Vlogs. What's popping YouTube? నేను పొద్దున స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు నా ఎనర్జీ ఎట్లా ఉండే? How was my energy now because of this? He made me roam all around Raniganj, Secunderabad for nothing. He wanted to pick some stuff. ये literally taxi जैसे बन गए अभी. Boot. He filled the boot with his own stuff.
Trunk sir, whatever.
We didn't have lunch. Look what this is doing. Oh, poster dekh, oh, food dekh.
I'm intelligent enough, dude.
Kada?
Check, nee mundara car parking.
Intelligent anta mari em cheddam? We'll drop him off. We'll have lunch. We have to apparently drop this guy to Gachibowli and his stuff, and then come to Ducati, see the bike, and then have lunch. While this is having this.
Enjoying kada video.
It's all because you didn't charge the car before coming.
How would I know you would go to Raniganj, Secunderabad and do your work with us? इसके लिए वेट करना है ऑफिस के नीचे 1 hour वेट किया मी और रोची पार्लमेंट स्पेलिंग చెప్పరా
మర్చిపోయినా నేర్చుకొని వస్తా
బాబు ఎంతమ్మా కాఫీ ఎంత
అనుకుంటారు కాబట్టి కొంచెం ఎక్కువ.
These guys are enjoying Taco Bell, but we are having nice, good coffee, safe coffee, black coffee.
వితౌట్ షుగర్.
ఇదేదో బాగుంది డిజైన్. Hey guys, that was it for that day. Didn't do much. Things got delayed, but it was still fun hanging out with friends after a while. And you guys have to let me know what you think of the 90-day initiative or challenge that I took up. It can't work without your support. Things got slightly delayed because of the October 2nd Gandhi Jayanti holiday. The long weekend was slightly lazy. But the idea is 6 days a week, 8 to 10 hours a day. Don't have a manager, but you guys are the final bosses to me here in this regard. And let's see how this goes. And it's not technically 90 days because we have only 80 days till December 31st. But I hope it works out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And I want all your support in this initiative. Hope you enjoyed this video, short video. In case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night, take care, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.